Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install HetrixTools on Linux. First, log into your HetrixTools account. Go to the Uptime Monitors section and click on the server you want to monitor. If you do not have any monitors set up, a prompt will appear to add your first monitor. Select Ping or Service Monitor to proceed with monitoring your server's uptime and resource usage. Next, click the Gear button and click the Install Monitoring Agent tab. In the Monitoring Agent package settings, choose the specific metrics and services you want to monitor on your server. On the installation code pop-up modal, select Monitor Drive Health. After setting your monitoring preferences, an installation command will be provided by HetrixTools. Copy the installation command, then access your Linux server. Run the command on your server's command line to install the monitoring agent. Now, navigate to your Uptime Monitor in HetrixTools. Click on the Server Name tab. You will see details such as CPU, RAM, net, disk, and miscellaneous. For this case, you will need to navigate to the Disk section to see the disk space monitor. Next, to set a notification, on the same page, navigate to the bottom. Change the following selection. Set the following details: average threshold, usage average time, and alert frequency. If your server has multiple mount points, you can choose which disks to monitor for alerting. Click the tick icon once completed.